I look crazy. Good morning, y'all. So it is currently Wednesday, February 1st. It's finally a new month. Well, not finally. January went by actually. Like I was saying before I was really interrupted, January actually went by really fast. I've already been in school for 3 weeks at this point, and it feels like I was been here for like a week. So yeah, y'all are just gonna spend this day with me. It's freezing cold outside. I think it's like 32 degrees. I'm gonna see. It's supposedly 36 degrees, but then when you scroll down the weather app, it's talking about some feels like 29. More like it feels like 2 degrees outside. It's cold, heavy wind, it's raining. It's not raining hard, but it's still raining, wet, muggy. The air is like, I don't know. But one thing I can tell you is that I need to get me some gloves, because walking back to my room, I couldn't feel my hands, so that's great. Anyway, so today I'm hoping to finish taking my hair down because it's already Wednesday. Did I say it's Tuesday? It's Wednesday. It's already Wednesday, and my cousin's party is Saturday for her birthday, and I want to do my hair. Really, I want to do my hair by tomorrow. Like, I want to wear my wig to last tomorrow, so we're gonna just try to get these braids down. Anyway, so yeah, let's get into this vlog. Let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Not too much on it, but I got distracted and started watching TikToks. But I'm still eating my breakfast. I'm about to get like a drink out the fridge because I'm getting thirsty. But I'm basically just sitting here just trying to warm up a little bit more, and I'll probably come back to y'all when I'm doing something productive. Let me show y'all my breakfast, even though it's half eaten. This is what I had. I had a little breakfast bowl, a little Jimmy Dean breakfast bowl. The meat lovers one is my favorite one. I like this hair, but I wish it wasn't black. Oh my god. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this band on all day. So if I leave, I'm just gonna go out with the band on. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on just to make myself feel a little bit more put together. But yeah, this is like what my hair turned out with the band still on. We just gonna pray that the lace look good enough for me to wear without the band. So yeah, mission accomplished. 37 degrees outside. The high today is 44, which is warmer than it's been, but it's still cold. I only have 2 classes today, a 9:30 and a 12:30, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm just gonna get dressed warm, go to class. I don't have to walk far. It's like right across the street or whatever. So yeah, I'm actually gonna take a shower and then I'm going to get dressed. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna put makeup on again today, just cause I don't know. So yeah, happy Thursday. I did not write out my planner yesterday for February, so I'm gonna do that today later on. Maybe I'll do that like in between my classes, depending on if it stops raining or not. If it doesn't stop raining, I'm not leaving the building because my classes are in the same building, just 3 hours apart. And yeah, so I'm gonna go take a shower and get dressed. I don't even know what I'm wearing yet, but I guess we'll figure that out. Let me cater to you.
Girls know I'm talking about. I know you've been fiending, I've been looking for a reason. I think I'm done teasing, now I'm ready for my beating.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give oh. Day long, your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have it.
So my last class class got canceled and it's raining outside. So my hair is not as fluffy and stuff as it was earlier, but not really worried about it. I'm probably not gonna go anywhere unless I go and get dinner later. So I'm honestly about to probably put on some pajama pants and get back in my bed. I'm gonna write out my calendar, but I'm not gonna do it on my desk. I just don't feel like it. And so yeah, I also need to clean off my desk because I did my makeup this morning and my hair. And so yeah, let's get in the bed. I have some assignments to do, but I'm just gonna write out my calendar for the month, plan out like what videos I want to film this month and stuff. But yeah, so one thing I low-key regret, which at the same time I don't regret, because I feel like I struggled so much last semester that I really like this kind of mental break this semester. But like my workload this semester is like nothing compared to last semester. Like I literally, last semester I would have something due like every other day. I just went to go look at my calendar for February. February 7th I have a quiz in math. I have nothing due or nothing assigned from the 8th to the 10th. That's 3 whole days that I have no work to do or to turn in. And then I have something due on Saturday. So obviously I would be working on that. That's due Saturday beforehand. It would be February 8th through 10th. But I don't need 3 days to do one assignment. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I kind of wish I got to do 6 classes, but at the same time I feel like this is like very refreshing. It gives me more time to study and like focus, actually focus and learn the stuff in the classes instead of just going through the motions. But I really noticed that like there's literally weeks where 3 days out of that week I have nothing assigned or due, and that's so crazy. Like look, from March, hold on, can y'all see? From March 1st to March 5th, there's nothing, I mean honestly nothing planned yet, but like I'll have to look at my syllabuses to see like what, you know, will be assigned that week. But like that's crazy. And only 2 of my classes like put stuff on there beforehand. Like my chemistry class, he doesn't put like assignments and quizzes and stuff on the calendar beforehand because we're actually going to be taking quizzes in person. But yeah, that was just interesting to me, just writing it out. And I'm like, I'm trying to write it out for each day because that's what I usually do, because my workload be like, I'm telling you, my workload last year, like look at my calendar. For Monday, February 6th, I only have 1 assignment due out of 5 classes. If this was last semester, I would have like at least 4 bullet points on every day. Plus the bullet points for like, oh, study this, read this, plus that. Just saying, just an observation. Anyways, let me finish doing this. I'll probably see y'all later. After I finish this, I'm gonna play The Sims, and then I'll probably go eat dinner later, hopefully. And so we'll see. Bye. I'm currently in my car, as y'all can see. It is dinner time. I'm hungry, not even gonna lie to you. Trying to see if my friend's gonna go eat with me. If not, I guess I'm just eat by myself today. Cause I don't have no more food in my room. I ate it all. Only thing I have is like a breakfast bowl thing that I'll probably eat tomorrow. And if I don't, I'll have it for next week. I'm going home tomorrow. Very excited about that. This week went by fast, just like the other weeks before it. I don't know, it's like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm excited. I was so high energy like this whole day up until like 4 something, and like I'm still trying to like fight from like this weird funk that I fell into randomly. But yeah, I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna let my car warm up and defrost and stuff. Wait to see if Roy's gonna text me back. If not, I'm gonna go to the MSC and get dinner. I don't know if I want Chick-fil-A today. I had Chick-fil-A like 2-3 days ago, I think. But we'll see. Update. So I look crazy. What's going on? I ended up getting Chick-fil-A from the student center. And I'm actually gonna eat in my car, I think. Cause why not, you know? And my car's already warm. Like, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna eat in my car. I think I'm gonna call my dad right quick. And yeah, just gonna enjoy my food, and I'll see y'all later before I go to bed.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
So y'all, it is currently 9:34 and I am going to bed. Probably won't go to sleep for like another hour and a half maybe, but I'm in the bed. I'm gonna get comfy and just relax and unwind and stuff. My face started breaking out randomly today. I don't know what's going on. I have that bump, like other random bumps. My skin just looks crazy. Like my forehead had been breaking out all week. And I'm convinced that it's because I'm dehydrated. So I'm just gonna drink nothing but water for the next couple of days until tomorrow, until Saturday night for my cousin's party. I'm gonna drink nothing but water until then. And try to like clean my system out, because I know it's because I'm dehydrated. That's why my face is breaking out. Also my lips have been getting chapped very quickly in the past couple of days, even though it's been freezing outside. But I haven't been outside that much. I only be outside like a couple hours of the day, so you know. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure to turn your post notifications to be notified every time your girl posts. And until the next vlog, bye.
It's you, the spring here represents my heart. And